Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 18th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So the pound dollar did continue up a little bit today, was kind of expected. We have our Fibonacci retracement out here. We are definitely watching our Fib levels very closely. We still are in a downtrend on all the higher time frames, so we should definitely be looking for sorts. One thing that really sticks out to me is that this is 1, 2, 3 waves down, and this is actually impulsive up. Kind of makes you wonder if this is either an expanding flat or a running flat. If it is an expanding flat, then it potentially will go up and break structure, but then it will reverse to the downside and continue the higher time frame downtrend. If it's a running flat, then more likely what will happen is it will bounce off like the 78 or the 188% fib and then end up continuing the downtrend. So I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci levels very closely. If it does break up, then I'll probably throw my Fibonacci extension on here and look for the key levels for Fibonacci extension, which is usually the 161, 178 or 261, 278 for an extended wave C. So definitely paying attention to fib levels, definitely still looking for sorts because all the higher time frames are still in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.